Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy to sew felt dress which fits a lot of different small dolls. On my website, there's a list of all the dolls that can fit in this dress pattern. So before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable PDF pattern. Use the pattern to cut out these 3 pieces of felt. You will also need some eyelet lace trim. Lay one of the backs on top of the front piece, like you see me doing here. Sew across the shoulder, like you see me doing here. Set the other back on top of the front. And sew across this shoulder too. Open the dress up like this. Press the shoulder seams. Of course, children who are doing this need to have adult supervision. On this side, you can see the shoulder seams, but I'm going to ask you to turn it over so you're not looking at the seams. And then fold the back over so it touches the front. We call this right sides together. Sew along the side of the dress from the underarm all the way down to the bottom of the garment. I'm doing that here. Flip the other back onto the front like we did before and sew down this side as well. Now the garment looks like this. Open it up and press each of the side seams open. Turn the garment right side out, like you see me doing here. Now we're going to attach some eyelet lace. Any kind of lace will do, but eyelet looks nice. When you sew it to the bottom, fold the eyelet inside to stitch it in place. It looks nice if you double fold it. Now your garment looks like this. Attach a few snaps down the back. Need help sewing snaps on fabric? I have a tutorial for that, and it's in the links below this video on YouTube. Now you're ready to try the dress on your doll. For more free, printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.